Yuan-sang challenged me to use mushroom coffee to make tiramisu, reishi misu. I think I ate. Before we start on our reishi misu, we're gonna try both coffees, black and latte version, because it's my first time finding out about it. The mushroom element comes from reishi mushrooms, which is commonly used in traditional Chinese medicine. These mushrooms have adaptogenic qualities, which I didn't know what it meant. But apparently, it helps regulate your body and targets specific stressors to help you distress. I'm gonna try the black first, since this is what we're gonna use for the reishi misu. Oh, quite nice eh. Got like a slight mushroom umami, but it still tastes a lot like coffee. Why coffee? If you like coffee with milk. It is nice. I think the milk and a bit of sugar helps bring out the nice umami flavor of the mushroom. Day to day, drink this. Make reishi misu, use this. Let's make some tiramisu. If you like a good arm workout, whip the eggs yourself. But I'm just gonna use a mixer.
Loser! You're a loser!
One eternity later.
Done. Hehe. Usually tiramisu would have some form of alcohol inside. Today we are spicing things up with this Yuan-sang's ginger liqueur.
What you said? What
We're gonna cover this and put it in the fridge overnight. But of course I'm not gonna let you all wait lah. I have another one in the fridge. See you in a bit. Hehe.
Stop it. Get some help.
The coffee flavor is very present, and there's that nice bitterness from the reishi mushrooms, and it goes so well with the spicy ginger liqueur. Get their reishi coffee and ginger liqueur at your nearest Yuan-sang store or online. 太好吃了！